Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and I'm so glad to see you guys coming back to my channel. I know it's been so long that I have posted any videos and it's been a year long since my last video and the second last video but yeah, I know I have been delaying my videos again and again due to all of the office work and everything, but yeah, as we came into the lockdown period, I have got a little more time in hand than there was previously. So that's why I am now able to make all of the videos and share with you guys. So yeah, let's stop myself from blabbering and start this video. So yeah, the product that I'm gonna show you guys today, and please just excuse my background because I am sitting in a new space and I have not done anything for that. So yeah, okay, let's concentrate on the product. Okay, so today I will show you guys Tati Beauty palette. I have recently got this from one of the Insta seller. She got this palette for me, and it's she got it somewhere in the April, or yeah, somewhere in March or April, but it was there at my office, and because of this lockdown I could not go there to collect this, and it took me so long to get this back. And it was just the last weekend I have got this, so I thought it's best to share with you guys how do I create this look. So I call this very Bengali smoky eye look with minimal lipstick and with lots of jewelry and glam. So yeah, that's what I call it. So I'm gonna create this Bengali cold eye makeup look using Tati Beauty palette. So if you guys want to check that out, please continue watching. Along with that, if you are wondering what is my lip shade, I will reveal that in my video, so stay tuned. I'll just give you a glimpse of my. So yeah, all right guys, so I have recently got my Tati Beauty palette from an Instagram seller called Lachi Creek, and I am loving every bit of it. It has so much variety and it has so many colors. I'm loving it. So starting with prepping my eyelids, I am using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. You can use whatever concealer you have, or if you have an eye primer, you can use that as well. Use your finger, use a brush, or use a blender. You can use either of that. And then starting with the color Matte Soothe. It's a slightly brownish color, but it's kind of like a matte sienna brown. So I'm using that color firstly as my primer, or you can see it's as my crease color, or I have used that overall as well. And can you see the pigment? It has so much pigment in it. Now, as I told you, I will be doing a smoky Bengali eyes. So I'm using the K-Beauty Kajal in the shade Raven Hue as the first or initial step. And with a blending brush, you can use a small blending brush, or you can use the tip of the particular Kajal which has a felt tip, and it can be used as a blender as well. So I have just blended that out, and now I'm using the matte black color which is there in the palette. I quite not remember the name though, but you can see that on the screen, I guess. So yeah, I am using the black color and I'm blending that out completely. Now when you are tight lining your lower lash line, make sure you don't ruin your makeup or you don't tag your skin so hard, because you know that will leave some wrinkles on your skin at the end of the day. So that's why I use a beauty blender. I have seen this I have seen this technique used by so many YouTubers, so I have tried my hand on it as well. Now with the shade Memory, it's a black, dark, very black shade from the palette. it's a matte shade as well. So I'm using that to blend out the kajal I have used, and now to mattify or to smoothify that a bit, I'm using the same brown sienna color from the palette as well. Now guys, it all leads on to blending. If you blend your eyeshadow properly, that's gonna look good. So that's what I have done in my one eyes, and I have just copy pasted the same thing in my other eyes. And now it's time for the MAC lipstick. So this is the Powder Kiss lipstick that has recently launched in India, and I'm using the shade Date Maker. It has the same fragrance as every other MAC lipstick, and this is such a beautiful peach, nudie peach shade. I have used the lip liner. I guess I have used a K-Beauty lip liner here as well. I will link down the name in the description box below if you guys want to check that out. And now this lipstick is amazing, guys. Every bit of it is amazing. It's very comfortable, very soothing, and very light. So okay, this is how the final look looks like. Like you see, I have worn a sari. Like, who am I? I have worn a sari. So I'm wearing a sari with one of the crop top, and there is a neck piece that I have got from one of the FB seller. Her name is Shananda Bashak. Her page name is Wrong Be Wrong. If possible, I'll link that down in the description below. If you guys want to check up her collection that are beautiful and badass. So if you want to try that out, if you want to check that out, go check that out. And yeah, rest of all of the product that I have used for this video, I will link them down in the below description box. And also, if you guys want to know where I have got this sari from, that also I will link down in the description box. It's also a FB seller. Her name is Moiraki, and her husband's page name is Corecraft, and they are very darling. They are such a darling couple, and I just love them. So yeah, that's that, and I hope you guys like it. If you have, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to share this look with your friend, colleague, and anyone dear to you, you can share this particular video with them as well, and that means a lot to me. So if you guys want to share this video, please do share, like my video, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next time. So till then, love you so much. Ta-ta.